After discovering this amazing trick, my house now smells like a rich man's fresh, luxurious, and inviting home. Let me show you exactly how to do it so you can transform your home too. To begin, grab a container and fill it almost completely with coarse salt, just like I'm doing here. The coarse salt serves as the base of this mixture, helping to hold and diffuse the scent throughout your home. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of alcohol. Alcohol is a key ingredient that helps disperse the fragrance evenly across the room. It is also a natural insect repellent, keeping your home fresh and pest-free. Before we move on, don't forget to tell me which city you're watching from in the comments. I love connecting with you all. Today's hug goes to Amanda Tenorio from Santa Catarina. Thank you for your support and for enjoying our tips. Now it's time to add the star of this recipe, fabric softener. Pour enough fabric softener to completely cover the coarse salt. This creates a long-lasting, luxurious fragrance. Feel free to choose your favorite scent, or even use different fragrances for each room in your home. Tag a friend who needs to try this trick. Once everything is added, mix the ingredients well. As you mix, the alcohol and fabric softener combine to create a powerful air freshener that smells like freshly laundered clothes. I use this mixture in every room of my house, especially in the kitchen, living room, and bathroom. You can even place it in your bedroom for a cozy, clean aroma that lasts for days. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now for the finishing touch, add some cloves to the mixture. Cloves are a secret weapon for enhancing the fragrance and adding an extra layer of freshness. They help the scent travel throughout your home and have natural insect-repelling properties. Just a small handful of cloves makes a big difference. What I love most about this tip is its simplicity and affordability. With just a few household items, you'll have a beautifully scented home for up to 30 days. Plus, this trick is a lifesaver if you have pets. It neutralizes odors like pet urine and replaces them with a fresh, clean scent. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. This simple yet powerful hack will leave your home smelling incredible, and visitors will be amazed at how fresh and inviting your space feels. Every time someone comes over, they'll ask, "What's your secret?" Do you have a similar hack at home? Share it in the comments. Have you ever used cloves in a cleaning hack before? Let me know in the comments. Cloves are a versatile ingredient that comes in handy for DIY tips like this. Thank you so much for watching this far. I hope this tip transforms your home as much as it has mine. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more amazing hacks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. After discovering this